Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you Shein haul. I have ordered something for the first time. Like I have seen people ordering things but I haven't ordered any time. Yes, I have ordered from Club Factory. If you haven't seen that haul, then please click on that I button. You'll get that haul after this video. First see this video. Okay, so I have ordered 4 to 5 things only, so I'll tell you my review and my point of view on that. So for the people who don't know me, hi, I am Dhruvi and I upload my videos weekly. So subscribe if you like what you see. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so the first thing I have ordered is this one piece. This is a simple one piece with very much sleeveless spaghetti type, and you can wear this as a inner or you can wear it with a jacket. You have adjustable straps over here from where you can adjust as per your body, and this is of M size and of rupees 292 only. I'll put the picture over here, and this is like fabric is really nice. I liked it. It's nice, like it's worth price of 292, yeah. Okay, so the next thing I have ordered is this red one piece. This is off shoulder one piece which has a very good fabric, and in the picture it is shown with a jacket, leather jacket. If you have a leather jacket and you don't want to wear off shoulder or you're not allowed to wear, you can pair it with a jacket. But this is really very nice fabric. It's nice fit. I have ordered it at M size and I really liked it. It's looking like, I'm not a red person. I don't buy red things and I don't like, because I feel really bright color is that, and I literally don't like red, but I wasn't having anything in red, so I saw the picture and I liked it, so I ordered it, and it's really looking nice. Like I'll wear this very soon, and this is of only 730 rupees. Okay, so next thing I have ordered is this top. This is a crop top with the frill thing on the sleeves, and this is still neck, full neck. If you have a double chin, don't buy this, it won't look nice. But for the other people who don't have double chin, it will look real. And I have ordered this for the plazo. I have in olive green color, so if you pair this with black color or olive green or something different, it will really look amazing. Don't pair it with blue, it won't look good. And the only one thing you have to take care in this kind of top is that you have to wear proper lingerie inside it, so that it looks good and it gives a good fit, because it is still the neck, and that's the only thing. And the fabric is also really very nice. Okay, next thing is I have ordered is this. This is something really favorite. I really loved this. This is my favorite. Seriously, I loved it. It has a bow thing on the shoulders, and this is off shoulder top and pink in color. I really love pink, and with the black combination, like who can deny this? This is really nice. You had really very good color combinations, purple, white and many more. And this is of only 584 rupees. I'll put the picture over here. Yeah, I forgot to say the price of this. Price of this is 438. So it's worth buying, because I wasn't having anything good for that olive green plazo. White may go, but this is looking amazing. Like this color, I always wanted this color. This is not red, this is not oranges type, this is something ochre yellow. You can say ochre yellow. This is baby pink type. And the last thing is, not the last but second last thing you can say, is this top. This is something you can wear for formals. This is of chiffon, and this is of rupees 603. And this is nice. I loved it. When I saw this, I thought since it's looking transparent type, I have to wear something inner type inside this, but when I'm wearing it, it's not giving any problem. I can wear without inner, and this material is really very nice. I usually don't buy chiffon, but I like this, so I bought it, and it is amazing. Like this is really very nice. And the last thing is this pouch. And the last thing is this pouch. This is of rupees 730. yes, it is little costly, but I liked it and I always wanted something like this. So first thing I got is this sponge, for makeup sponge for doing makeup. I'm not that makeup person, but let's see. I have thought I'll do makeup, so I have bought these things. There are 24 brushes you get in this, and they are really very much, like you can see. There are many brushes, many brushes of different sizes and different types. So there are many brushes, and I liked it. I'll use it very soon, and this is really amazing. I really loved it, and it is very easy to carry. You can carry anywhere because it is in a pouch form, and I liked it. You can buy this. I'll put the link in the description box of all the products. I have bought it, and do let me know what further videos you would love to see, or what further reviews you would like to see from any of the website, or any of the websites you want me to try. I'll definitely try it. And that's it. And without wasting time, just give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. That's it. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.